Celebrating healthcare workers from around the world, SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital in Madison wants to show off the different backgrounds of all of its employees. In the spirit of its Mission and Heritage Week, this week, SSM partnered with a local artist to create this interactive art display to represent the mix of backgrounds coming together. One participant said she found it meaningful to celebrate her roots and learn about other people's as well.
We all have to remember where we came from and our roots. It's a different culture, different mentality. So there is things that I learn about America still, even though I lived here for 9 years.
On the map, hospital workers can choose the map they find most meaningful and place a pin to indicate their heritage.